Here I will show you a step-by-step process to install Raspbian Linux into Raspberry Pi and use the OS without external monitor and um, keyboard. So first we will format this our ScanDix. For this I use ScanDix formatter. You can find this easily in the internet. Just Google it, download it, and format your ScanDix. Then I go to raspberrypi.org/download and download the Raspbian OS. Then I use Win32 disk imager to install the image to the disk. You cannot just copy paste or extract the file to the disk. It will not work that way. So you should download the Win32 disk imager. You can download it easily from Google. I mean by searching Google and use this software to install the image. Now we will go to the control panel, network and sharing center. Here we should see both LAN and wireless LAN. If we do not have LAN, then we should create the local area network connection because Raspberry Pi is connected with the LAN and internet is connected through wireless in our computer that we are using now. Sorry, this should not be configured. Here we will go to the properties and then IPv4 version, Internet Protocol version 4 properties. Then here it should be clicked as obtain IP address automatically. Press OK. Yes. Now power up your Raspberry Pi and connect it through the LAN port through a RJ45 cable and go to the command port, type ipconfig, then enter. Then you can see the IP address of our network adapter of our computer is this one 169.254.77.34. Then power off your Raspberry Pi and take out the scan disk and put it back in the computer. Then open the scan disk. Then even the scan disk for scan disk, the boot, I mean the main folder, the boot folder, you will see a line. You will see a file command line.txt. Open the file and at the end of the line write IP is equal to. You should write it in the same line, not in the second line. So write IP is equal to 169.254.77.20. I write it because I write IP address in the same class of the IP that we got from our ipconfig command in the command prompt. Then double colon. Then write the if you don't want to use the internet, then we should stop here. But if as we want to use the internet of our main computer, we should write the IP address double colon and write the IP address of our network adapter. Then close it and save it. Now we will need two software to establish SSH connection to our Raspberry Pi computer. First is Xming. We will Google it and download it and install it. Then another is Putty. We will Google it and click the third link and download it. Putty is mainly for establishing SSH connection and Xming is for using GUI of the computer that we are connected. Now safely remove the scan disk and put it back again in the Raspberry Pi computer. Power on it and connect it through the LAN through RJ45 cable. Then ping the Raspberry Pi computer, ping 169.254.77.20. We can see that it is working. It's connected now. Now open Xming run the Xming, you will see at the right hand corner that Xming is now running. Then go to Putty, run Putty, and then here I have already saved the configuration file, so I am loading it. But what you need to do, in fact, you need to type the IP address of the Raspberry Pi, because we are connecting to Raspberry Pi through SSH. Here you will write the IP address of the Raspberry Pi and make sure that in the SSH XX1 tab, the XS1, this checkbox is checked. Now I have just saved the new configuration and then load my configuration file and open it, and we can see the command prompt. Here we will logged in as Pi and our password is Raspberry. Then we type lx session. That will initiate the graphical user interface of our Raspberry Pi OS. Here we can see the GUI. We will click the Midori, that is the browser of our Raspberry Pi OS, and we can browse, we can check email, whatever we wish. It is using the internet of our main computer. Here I just type Google, and you can see I can search whatever I want, and I'm closing it. Now I will go to the Putty and press Ctrl C from my keyboard. That will kill the present task, and that's it. That's how we will use the Raspberry Pi OS. Thanks for watching my video.